What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Other Ways by the kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll gorilla kick your chest in half. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you need to capo up to the first fret. It does have a few chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an A major. It's going to be 2nd fret on the D string with your middle finger, 2nd fret on the G string with your ring finger, and 2nd fret on the B string with your pinky finger. Then you're going to go F sharp minor, which is bar the entire 2nd fret, and this is relative to the capo. So capo is 0, 1, 2, bar 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D. Then you're going to go E major, which is 2nd fret on the A with your middle finger, 2nd fret on the D with your ring finger, and 1st fret on the G string with your index finger. And then we're going to go D major 7. You're just going to use your index finger to bar the G, B, and E string on the 2nd fret. And then the final chord you need is a D7. Put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, your index finger on the 1st fret of the B, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. So your chord progression, from what I can hear in the song, is going to be A, F sharp minor, E, D7, and then A, F sharp minor, E, D7, or D major 7, and then D7. And your strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Except when you go D major 7 to D7, that's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. I'll show you what all that looks like very slowly. So starting on your A major, it's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then it starts all over. So again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.